Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the autophoto fix setting on your Canon TS8351a. So first, head over to the settings right here, the gear icon. Now go to device settings. Let me click that, and here go to the print settings. Now here we will have autophoto fix setting, and here we can basically prioritize the active information in the image. So let's enable it. As you guys can see, now it's setting it on, and if we simply want to disable it, then let's click it again. Here select off, and the setting will change. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.